Hi guys, so I'm doing my slime for today, and I got this from all Target, so I'll link it in the description below for Target, and you can find it there. But anyways, we have some slime. We have red for cherry, orange for orange, yellow for banana, green for kiwi, blue for blueberries, purple for grape, pink for dragon fruit, clear for ice, white for ice cream, honeycomb for light brown, and chocolate for dark, and last but not least, coffee for light. And then we got some birthday cake with a little scent. We got these. And we also got modeling clay. So we're all going to push these back red. So I've always loved red. And see, this is what it looks like. So cool. Like, look at this. Let's scooch up. It smells like cherry. Some of them don't smell like they actually do, but look at this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's a little thing. And yeah, guys, if you guys see in the background my squishmallows, I made a squishmallow bed up there. So you're going to have to see that channel. Because I'm going to make a channel if you guys really want to see me in that squishmallow bed. And that will be crazy if I actually did that. So cherry is done. This orange one, it came in the package, but then it didn't really work, see? So that's just orange. What was that noise? You guys can tell I will do a room tour. And if you guys didn't know, I have a little sister. Do I or do I not? Then we have yellow. Banana. Some of them have different things in it. Like banana has, this fruit vibes. See guys, these are fruit vibes. My arms are not actually that long. They only go this high. Is that actually long? Long hands. And I'm actually not that. I'm only, if you guys see the ruler right there, it says, I'll go move over there. It says, you guys could see it, to the slime. So I'm not that tall, even though my arms look very tall. My arms can only reach out to there. They look very tall, but I'm not. When I'm in gymnastics, when I'm in there, I always see that, and I will be doing a giveaway for fun. And you guys might have your name called. And guess what? I might call one of you guys. So stay tuned. See who gets called. Green for kiwi. The giveaway is I'm going to take some stuff out of my room and make a channel. And whatever you guys text to me, like if you guys were like, I want cinnamon roll. And I'll be like, I'll do that channel, but if I don't have it, sorry. It's like if you're like, can I have Chromie? Can I have Legos? Can I have, and I'll do it. I'll make a box and I'll build it for you. This one is that one. And this is actually really fun. Guys, link in the description if you really like this. Like, I thought this was super duper fun. Blue for blueberry. This one's super duper cool. Oh my gosh. And you guys are going to tell, wait, mix it up. I do have a pool. So, that would be cool. If one of you would want to come over, I might send my address. But it has to be up to my parents. Because I'm just, 9. Even though I look like a 5-year-old. Look how blue it is. Blue. Next color, you guys gotta choose the next color. Purple, okay, purple. Purple, 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 purple. I also love this one, but I wanted to do the puffs, but then we couldn't do it because we were almost out. You need a lot. So, purple for all the fruits of the vegetables. I love that one. And it also smells like grape. Like, it smells so good. I would just want to eat it. Like, honestly. Dragon fruit. So, whenever I take it out, it feels super good. And I will be doing that giveaway. I just can't stop saying it. If you guys want to get a chance to win one of these slimes, you will get to get one of these slimes. I'll call you, send me the address, come to my house and choose what slime you want. And you might get a chance to win one. Plop, plop. What's after pink, guys? Guess. Clear, clear like ice. But I didn't put. You guys want to choose for me? Which one should I put inside of this? I'll make a video and you guys will choose. What kind of do you want inside of this? What kind? Because I do not really care. What kind? See how clear that looks? Like, my hands do not look that clear. But, And I also have a clear, guess what's next, guys? The white one is like putty too. See, like, I'll take it out. It doesn't really stretch. It's like the orange one, but it's not as fat as the orange one. This one's pretty nice. It's putty, but if anything stuck to it, it wouldn't really stick. The next is honeycomb white brown. This one is my absolute almost favorite. My favorite is dark chocolate, but I love this one because look at it. It makes like this satisfying glow. Whoa. And Michael, guess how much sweet it is? Win a prize, and you will get one of these slimes or the birthday cake. That one's really cool. Next, we have coffee. Y'all love coffee. If you guys like coffee, you could say I love coffee because I love coffee too. I tried it once. Do you guys like espresso? Or what's your favorite Starbucks drink? Comment down below. Mine is pink drink with less ice and no strawberries. Because whenever I get a strawberry in it always just gets on my throat and it's so sticky. If you guys agree with me, comment down below because that would be awesome. Dark chocolate. And you guys know what's next. The favorite one. Oh, geez. Not this. Stay down there. Then it is this one. Wow. Oh, this one's kind of wet. I haven't played with them. So you guys can all tell oh my gosh, I haven't played this one in so long. Okay, this one is very big. I place it down. You guys can make a big bubble with this birthday cake one. And I know you guys have been saying, here's the thing. I'll put the charm inside. Here, it smells like birthday cake. And then you get it out. And you find your charm back. I always put my charm back on the strawberry one. But it feels so good. Like, I can make a big bubble, but it's super hard to with this kind of slime. So I make this bubble. It's super duper easy. So you spread your slime so it looks clear, but make sure there's no holes in it. Literally none. And pull it up from the top. And it makes kind of a bubble. I'm getting slime everywhere. Okay, I'll put that one back. So now you guys, that is my day today. So I'll see you next time. Bye.